So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tradineering, an engineer who is trading, and this is the channel where we share the journey. You are looking at my journey. I will identify my mistakes and try to work on them, and you as an audience can help me improve. Also help yourself improve by not repeating the mistakes which I made. So today is 20th August. Sorry, it is 20th August, so I'll be reviewing my trades of 20th August. I'll be posting this video at 9 or 12 a.m. I guess. The schedule for the watch list and the reviewing my trades video, I am gonna finalize it in some time. Let me just come in a proper timetable, so I'll just do it, and you'll get regular video updates uh, in a regular stream. रेगुलर रहेगा वो, ऑन टाइम रहेगा, जो कुछ भी रहेगा. सो आज की बात करते हैं. आज का बेस्ट ट्रेड. आई टुक 5 ट्रेड्स इन ऑल. एक तो होल्डिंग है आईटीसी का. सो आई एम गोना होल्ड इट. आईटीसी का ये सीन है कि आई थिंक इट्स गोना गो अप अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. And even if it doesn't in the short term, I am holding this. Quantity फिलहाल एक है. So I will add, I may add, I don't know, but I am planning to hold this for a range of 250, sorry 245 I guess. मैंने कुछ तो प्लॉट किया था. अकॉर्डिंग टू इट इज 245, क्योंकि आई थिंक जितना भी टाइम लगेगा आई थिंक आई शुड कीप इट. और वो नहीं भी गया तो आई डोंट हैव एनी थिंग, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली 200 रुपीज डजंट लाइक even if they stay in the account for years, it isn't a big matter for me. Talking about the trades, the best trade of today is HDFC, where I traded only a single quantity, unfortunately, because of, not unfortunately, because I'm position sizing max and uh, following the rules strictly. So HDFC only single quantity, but the move which I caught was of 6 rupees, almost 6.05. It is 6 rupees. I think according to me, it's a very good move. Second move which I caught was very good, एंड पर उसमें थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्सी है, ऐसा बोल सकते हो. कंट्रोवर्सी मेरे लिए तो नहीं है, मेरे लिए इट्स अ बैड थिंग. इट हैज हैपेंड लाइक 2 or 3 times with me, not the same scenario, but I am using the trading platform as like my broker is Zerodha. एंड जीरोडा में आज क्या प्रॉब्लम हो तो मैं तुमको बताता हूँ. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई couldn't exit. Like I got exited from the trade automatically, even though I didn't want to exit and I hadn't placed the order. So yeah, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है. सेकेंड थिंग इज कि ऐसे सिमिलर इंसिडेंसेस मेरे साथ हुए विच आई विल शेयर इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो. सो तो बट आई कुडंट कैच द मूव एक्चुअली. बट जो मेरा प्लॉटिंग था, अगर मैं बिकॉज ऑफ जीरोडा अगर मैं निकलता नहीं ट्रेड से तो आई वुड हैव गॉट दैट मूव. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस एज एन अचीवमेंट फॉर माई ट्रेडिंग पार्ट ऑफ व्यू, लाइक माई एनालिसिस पार्ट ऑफ व्यू. एंड उसके हिसाब से देखा कि मैंने तो अपना तरफ से सब किया था. So yeah, that is a plus point for me. So there were two green trades. On paper एक गलत है because of the जो भी मैं तुमको बताऊंगा. थर्ड ट्रेड आई टुक इन पीवीआर हिंदाल्को. एंड सबसे पहले लेट्स रिव्यू आवर प्लॉटिंग्स कि जो मैंने कल प्लॉट किया था कल के वीडियो में वॉच लिस्ट की, जो अभी लाइव है यूट्यूब पे, उसका क्या हाल है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जे किससे स्टार्ट करते हैं. जिंदल चीज़ से स्टार्ट करते हो. नो नो, जीएसडब्ल्यू से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जिंदल पे बाद में आएंगे. जीएसडब्ल्यू पे मैंने बोला था कि ये किधर है. दिस इज 19, ये कल का सीन है, और ये इधर से आज का सीन है. वॉट आई सेड वॉज कि इसके ऊपर गया तो वी कैन गो लॉन्ग. सो या इट डिड क्रॉस दिस लाइन. ऊपर की लेवल इट डिड क्रॉस. सो इफ यू वुड हैव गॉटन लॉन्ग ओवर ईयर, तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं होता था और यू कुड हैव गॉट द फर्स्ट टारगेट. एंड यहाँ तक द मूव वॉज बिट स्लो, बट इफ़ यू कंपेयर आगे के जो भी मैं बताऊँगा उसका मूव बहुत अच्छा दिया. बाकी सब मेटल जो स्टॉक्स थे जो मेरी कल वॉच लिस्ट में थे, हिंदाल जीएसडब्ल्यू का सबसे कम था. बट आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. पर फिर भी इट गेव अ मूव ऑफ लाइक 2 रुपीज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू अस. उससे ज़्यादा दिया, पर ऑब्वियसली इधर हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा रिसर्च करना पड़ता था वो टाइम पे. पर फिर भी वन टारगेट गॉट हिट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हिंदाल्को. हिंदाल्को का ये सीन है कि yesterday I gave, हाँ, Hindalco was the best thing with GSW, sorry, with जिंदल स्टील का ही बताता हूँ मैं. Yesterday it closed over here. What I suggested is कि अगर it crosses this, our targets will be this white dotted line. Just look at the dotted line, which is like 199.41 के थोड़ा नीचे, because वो pink line ने overlap किया है. Just focus on the red lines and one white dotted line. उसके ऊपर का टारगेट was according to us is 200 रुपीज़ एंड 23 पैसे. उसके ऊपर का था 201.58 एंड उसके ऊपर की you can see. So a 197 rupee stock gave a very nice move. 197, if we could have entered over here, we could have got the whole move. Unfortunately, I missed the move, not because I wasn't like I couldn't catch it, but because I had classes, due to which I had to like I had to sacrifice this. I didn't knew what was going on. After the classes, I realized and I was like, oh shit, man, अभी तक I am missing on a I missed on a big move. पर ठीक है, अपना एनालिसिस सही हो रहा है. पार्शियली एस टाइम पासेस हर बार सही नहीं होता है, पर या जैसा हो रहा है वो तुम लोग देख रहे हो. सो दिस मूव was expected to me yesterday and it did even happen today, so yeah, I was very happy. ऑल्सो हाँ, चेक फिर बात करते हैं. आई विल कम टू माई टूडेज ट्रेड आफ्टरवर्ड. जस्ट लेट्स डू द क्विक रिकैप, जो फटाक से हो जाएगा 2 मिनट पे. उसके बाद मैंने कौन सा स्टॉक लिया था, उसके बाद मैंने इंडस इंडिया बैंक लिया था. इंडस इंडियन बैंक के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया, अरे यार रीलोडिंग, ठीक है. प्रॉब्लम ये था कि इट ओपन गैप डाउन, जिसकी वजह से हमारा जो एनालिसिस था दैट वेंट थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया, पर फिर भी इट वाज लाइक ओके. कल की प्लॉटिंग्स थी. एक्चुअली सीन क्या हो गया, जीरो डा ओनली अलाउज, ये मैं हर वीडियो में ऑलमोस्ट बोलता हूँ कि जीरो डा हर टाइम अलाउ करता है 10 चार्ट मैक्सिमम प्लॉट करने का, एंड मेरे उससे ज़्यादा हो गई थी तो इसकी प्लॉटिंग चली गई थी. सो आई जस्ट रेफर टू माई वीडियो एंड मैंने उसके प्लॉट्स निकाला कि ये प्लॉट्स थे, एंड एज इट डिडंट गो अबाउ इट, सो आई डिडंट प्लॉट ऊपर का. बट ये जो भी है प्लॉटिंग्स, दे आर द प्लॉटिंग्स ऑफ द येस्टरडेज वीडियो, लाइक माई वॉच लिस्ट विच वॉज देयर. ऑल्सो जो कुछ भी पैसे में डिफरेंस रहेगा, क्योंकि अभी समझ ले 519.17 है, प्लॉटिंग में 20 रहेगा. तो क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट पे लाइन नहीं मिल रही थी, इसलिए आई जस्ट मार्क्ड इट फ्यू पैसेज अबव और बिलो. इट डजंट रियली मेक अ डिफरेंस नाउ एज वी आर एनालाइजिंग इट. देखो, कल वी हैड थॉट कि इसके नीचे इफ इट विल ब्रेक 519.17 लेवल, then it will tank. But what happened instead was it opened gap down. It was an exhaustion gap. It filled its gap and then it tanked again. So if we could have taken the entry here, then we could have got this move. Again, I am not that I am currently learning to uh, आई एम लर्निंग अबाउट गैप, सो आई जस्ट डिडंट टेक द ट्रेड. जब गैप डाउन हुआ तभी मेरा इंटरेस्ट चले गया फिलहाल के, मतलब तब मैं दूसरे चीज़ों पे, दूसरे स्टॉक्स पे फोकस कर रहा था. बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कि व्हेन वी हैव सो मच अदर स्टॉक्स विच आर गिविंग गुड मूव्स, आई थिंक फिलहाल के लिए इट शुड इसे साइड में रखते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एन एक्सपर्टाइज इन दिस. इसमें और एक मूव ये अच्छा हो सकता था विच आई एनालाइज जस्ट नाउ इज दिस, ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक. वन कुड हैव कॉट all of this, and volume, it was supported by volume 2, sorry, and yeah, अपना जो target है that got hit. Talking about, चलो इसका we are done with this. Talking about the next stock, one is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel I'll take in the end because I have to show you something else also. एंड फिर आता है इंफ्राटेल. इंफ्राटेल का, अरे यार आई डोंट वांट कि, हाँ नहीं गया प्लॉट. अच्छा, so Infratel ka what I suggested yesterday was कि we can if it breaks this trend line we can go short, and yeah, it did break, but the volatility was too much. Also, major of the movement of my watch list happened when I wasn't there, I wasn't present because of my classes, so I couldn't catch the moves. So yeah, ये भी मेरे हाथ से चले गया, but it was quite volatile because एक candle में it hit our target, which is 2 rupees target. In a 200 rupees stock, I think it's like nice for me. Like in a single trade, if you can catch 2 rupees in a 200 rupees stock, then yeah, it's good for me. So yeah, ये मिस हुआ, and इसके नीचे का लेवल इधर था, so yeah, it went till here. There might be a mini level over here and here, जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ. But as I wasn't present, I don't like, it doesn't matter really to me, but just for analysis I'm showing. that after this break and after this level break, it met our first target. Now coming to our daily trades, अभी भी JSW का ये बाकी है, सॉरी जिंदल स्टील का रिव्यू बाकी है, विच आई विल गिव इन जस्ट अ सेकेंड. बस आज का मैं आपको JSW का मेरा पे जिंदल, वाई एम आई कंफ्यूजिंग सो मच, लाइक वाई एम आई स्ट्रगलिंग इन JSW इन जिंदल. जिंदल का मैं आपको बताता हूँ आज का मेरा ट्रेड क्या था जिसकी वजह से मेरी प्रॉब्लम हो गई. उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि वॉच लिस्ट का क्या एनालिसिस था, क्योंकि मेरे पास ये रेडी है फिलहाल, इसलिए एक सेकंड इसको हटा दूँ. सो या it Jindal had done some analysis according to which जो analysis I'll show you. I think it was like head and shoulders, no, double top, it was a double top I guess, and this pink line was a neckline. Yeah, this is what you can see. दूसरे time frame में I'll show you. This is in the 1 minute time frame, so I don't think इसमें पूरा समझेगा. And this is where I got tricked or I got faked और जो कुछ भी आप बोलो. This is where so let's just start with the thing. मेरी आपको ऑर्डर दिखाता हूँ जिंदल स्टील की कितने बजे की है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वील select 14:12 जिंदल स्टील 10 quantity I bought. No, this is the exit thing. हाँ देखो, sell I sold 10 quantities at 13:57. 13:57 मतलब 157. So yeah, just let's go to the stock. Just a second. 13:57. Sorry for making it slow. Yeah. So here is where I shorted because according to my analysis, this was my trend line break. 13:57 ना, एक second हाँ. बराबर exactly on this candle I shorted this red candle. I'll just mark it if you want. Sorry, it is a this no sorry this is a 1 minute time frame. तो फिर things are different. मुझे 3 minutes की आदत है इसलिए मैंने ये कैंडल बोला. ये उसकी बाजू वाली कैंडल, दिस कैंडल is what I'm talking about. So yeah, this candle you can see the time, it is 13:57 and यहाँ पे as you saw कि वो 13:57 को मैंने buy किया था. So yeah, I bought over here because this was my trend line which I was looking for. This pink thing was my neckline break जो एक pattern के लिए था, which I'll show you in some time. So I was waiting for the price to break this. It did break in this candle, so I entered here and I knew वो इसे break कर दिया तो मुझे पता था कि थोड़े time बाद it will tank. That's why I took a pre-entry even though it went above. So that is the time where I took the entry to 34.70. This is where I took entry, and then I had kept my stop loss initially at this place as far as I remember, 235.06. But as I was in the trade, just ध्यान दो एक second, just focus on what I'm saying. I'll just mark this even though it's not of any use. I think I placed my stop loss at 235.07 when even initially when I entered at in the trade. So when I entered here. Then it went up and then tanked. It tanked, and then फिर से वो ऊपर गया. And this is the place where जीरोडा एंड हाँ एंड इसके पहले मैंने अपना स्टॉप लॉस चेंज करके मेरा स्टॉप लॉस इधर रख दिया था, which is above a level which I was looking about. So it was at 235.50 पे मैंने रखा था. It was above this. अभी 443 पे है. It is at 235.50 जिसके ऊपर. And जीरोडा exited me automatically from the trade at this candle, which didn't even, just a second, ये arrow बस mark करने के लिए दिखाया था, which didn't even reach 235. इसका टॉप देख सकते हो, हाई देख सकते हो कितना है, 234.90. और मेरा स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ पे, 235.43. एंड इसका टाइम देख लो कैंडल का आप, 14:12. एंड द टाइम वेयर आई गॉट exited second by 14:12. You can see it here, 14:12 Jindal Steel, and the main thing is here This was my trigger cost, as I said you, 235.50, 235.45 at 1412. And the best part, like not best part for me, is that Jinder Steel never touched the level at this point. 1412 को उसने touch किया ही नहीं है. Automatically I got exited. I don't know why and how. But if I would have been in the move, I would have caught 2 points easily. Easy 2 points थे वो, which is 232. 232.236 तक गया वो, and I entered here 234. So yeah, 2 points, more than 2 points approximately वही है. तो मैं इतना कैच करता था obviously, but thanks to Zeroda I couldn't capture it. But anyways, I also called the Zeroda sales team, sales manager I guess, yeah, sales manager. 5 बार लगाया and the only answer I get is like the manager is busy, you can, he will call you back later. And अभी तक तो कॉल आया नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी, आज तक आया भी नहीं है. हर टाइम यही आई गेट द रिस्पॉन्स. एंड ऑल्सो ये सिचुएशन मेरे साथ पहली बार हुई है, पर ऐसा बहुत ऐसे 2 से 3 बार हुआ है इसके पहले कि वेन एवर आई प्लेस्ड अ लिमिट ऑर्डर इट गॉट एग्जीक्यूटेड एट द मार्केट प्राइस. एंड कुछ ऑर्डर में मिस्टेक नहीं थी फिर भी I didn't take any, like I didn't call them at that time, but even though like I did call them, and also और भी 2 3 problems थी, but they don't, like I don't know what are they working on, so छोड़ दो, let's check that. इसका हम आज का एनालिसिस देखते हैं जो पहले हुआ था at 5 minutes, no I think 5 minutes पे देखते हैं. Just a second, let it load. Yeah, this was a very beautiful stock जो आज हमारी एंट्री दी उसने. Like the break it gave, it opened over here. Yesterday I had suggested ki, like according to me, if it crosses this it will tank, if it crosses this, and it will blast if it like crosses the above level. So what happened is that it did cross the above level, and you can see these were my targets. This white one, it got hit. It got hit. This was my mini levels, and red are my like full levels. It got hit. This got hit. White वाला कौन सा है? रेड वाला, दिस ऑल्सो गॉट हिट. इसके ऊपर का नो, दिस वॉज इन, ये तो अभी बना है. एंड देन उसके ऊपर अपने और 2 लेवल्स थी, बट इट हिट मैनी टारगेट्स. एंड जो हमने प्लॉट किए थे. सो एंड इवेंचुअली ड्यू टू माई बैड लक यू कैन से कि मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं था वो टाइम पे ट्रेड के लिए, सो आई couldn't कैच द मूव. बट या एनालिसिस वॉज गुड, सो आई एम हैप्पी फॉर दैट. अभी देखते हैं हमारे ट्रेड, जिसमें का जिंदल स्टील का हो गया है. Let's not talk about ITC because it is for holding. Let's talk about HDFC now. The one of my best trades of today, which I liked very much. HDFC is in कहाँ रखा है? यहाँ पे रखा है. My laptop is too slow right now. Yeah. What I had analyzed is, yeah, what I had analyzed is, like I analyzed this pennant forming. After that it gave a breakout with a good volume, then it retested. I should have entered over here, but I was not quite sure about the trade, that's why I didn't. So it like, and this was I think this is one of the moves I should catch every time whenever I see this. And if it's favoring, like it's, if it's in favorable condition, as the initial trend was selling, and also it broke out. And yeah, as you can see, it broke out from the, like the pennant, and it retested, and then it tanked. The level where I entered is here, and I got a 6 rupee move. I caught a 6 rupee move. उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता था, but yeah, I don't care because जो मेरा target था वो hit हो गया. In a single candle it got hit, and yeah, my targets were achieved. So yeah, this was one of the trade which I liked. This was the best trade of the day. I think we should keep things like this, की best trade of the day and ये सब चीज़ें. I will work on it. Like I will just think and make some like new uh, words to call, or new concepts of our trade engineering channel. जिंदल शेयर इज डन. पीवीआर पे आते हैं. पीवीआर का सीन ऐसा था, पीवीआर में आई एंटर्ड अ लूजिंग ट्रेड बिकॉज what the analysis which I made was it huh, this is what I analyzed. And as it was a the initial trend was uptrend, what I analyzed is, अरे यार बहुत slow. अभी मेरा लैपटॉप बहुत स्लो हो गया, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. This was the base, first top, sorry, first bottom, double bottom. This. Here is where I entered. It gave on this candle, exact this candle I entered. It gave a fake out and it tanked. Else, what I expected was to hit this level, white level. Sorry, the stream is getting like I have to stop the stream many times. So yeah, continuing to the video. This is the double top which I thought will form and it would reach my target, but it didn't. I would have caught a move from 55 to 63, but yeah, it didn't happen. So yeah, no regrets. But yeah, we got a analysis. Next thing was ki I was looking at, sorry, I also knew ki this was a first top, like for the double top thing. This was the first top, this was the second top, and this was the neckline. So I knew for a fact that if it broke this neckline, if it broke the neckline, it would tank down. But as you can see, the timing here where it tanked was like after market, and tab tak I was done with my trading, so I didn't catch this and I wasn't there at this time. So yeah, और एक इसमें it gave a move over here. Just a second. इधर उसने और एक मूव दिया था, डबल टॉप या एक मस्त पैटर्न इट हैड फॉर्म. आई थिंक डबल बॉटम वाज फॉर्म बिफोर दिस. दैट्स व्हाई आई डिड ट्रेड इट. Like that's why I thought that it should be traded the second time also, and I thought it will respect it, but it just check it for this time. We will see it later. फिर क्योंकि the video is getting more longer and longer. फिर जिसके बारे में हमने बात नहीं की है, इट इज़ पीवीआर हो गया, सिंपल स्टील, हिंदाल्को, एचडीएफसी. Hindalco is the thing which we didn't talk about. Yeah, this was Hindalco. It had an initial uptrend as we saw. This was in our like watch list, right? It gave a good, beautiful move. It did hit our target. After that, I drew. It was respecting this trend line, and I entered the trade over here, as you can see. When it, yeah, sorry, I entered the trade over here. I'm just a little like diverted right now, so just sorry. I entered a trade over here, as you can see on this arrow. It gave a fake out, and my target was here. For here, the reason I entered was, just a second, let me show you. I'll just type in the reason in sometimes. The I entered here, and this was my stop loss. This was my stop loss, the pink line, and it did got hit, and I exited my trade. So yeah, sorry, actually, I'm so sorry. I had kept my stop loss somewhere over here, but as I knew that the Nifty metal was tanking, so I knew that this will tank. Uh, Hindalco as well will tank. So I exited my positions over here before the good price which I could get, or else I would have been in a greater loss, not money wise but yeah percentage wise. So yeah, I did exit the trade here, but and the next candle I exited, उसकी next candle see it tanked so big क्योंकि eventually मेरा stop loss hit होने ही वाला था. So I exited here only. This is one more thing which I learned कि sectoral index अगर it is not in like combination or sync, तो फिर I think you should exit the trade at whatever price you get. This is what I did here, and this was the profit. So yeah, this is what I learned. One of the things I learned. So yeah, the analysis of all the five stocks is done. The trades which I took. Also ITC का I'm just saying कि I analyzed. I thought कि it is gonna go at 245, and कितना भी time लगे I am ready, because फिलहाल के लिए it's only one quantity. Also I want to hold it until it reaches that that mark. Sorry, the marks are not there, plottings are not there. So just check. This is what I was saying. And yeah, this is the video for the day. Sorry for the for things if you don't like anything. Sorry for anything which you don't like. Any constructive comments are appreciated. This is our initial time, so yeah, we are working for things to get in flow, to get in accordance, to get systematic. So yeah, what I have thought is like I will upload every day this video at 9 p.m. and the stocks video, sorry, the watch list at 9 p.m. and this video, the review of my trades at 12 or something like that. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for the video. Hope you like it. And yeah, bye bye.